This is a demonstration of the merge sort. The merge sort has two parts to it, and each part can be implemented with a recursive function or method. So the first part of the merge sort takes, or the first recursive function takes the entire data set and splits it into two parts. So now you have two data sets. And you run each of these through the same recursive function, and it splits these into two parts. So now it splits that into two parts and splits this one into two parts. And then we run each of the four data sets through the same recursive function, and it splits it into two parts, just like that. So now we have 8 individual data sets of one item each. And so now it goes through the second recursive function. And what the second recursive function does is merge two of the data sets together. So we first look at the first two data sets are these two right here. And so by merging them together, we look at the first item in each data set and select the smallest one to create a new data set. So that will be 7, and then we select that one. Now we look at the next two data sets, select the smallest item, and then the last one. Now here we select the smallest item and then the next one. And now we select the smallest one and then the next one. Okay, I'm going to move these back just a little bit. So now after we've merged them, we end up with 4 data sets. And so now we send all 4 of these data sets through the same recursive function to merge them. So what we do is we have a pointer that points to the first item in each of the 2 data sets, and we select the smallest one. Now we're pointing to the first item in the 2 data sets again, select the smallest one. Now we select the smallest one and select the smallest one. Now we're going to merge these 2 data sets. Point to the first item in each data set and select the smallest one. Now we select the smallest one, and now we select these 2. Now the recursive function, we're left with 2 data sets that need to be merged. So we look at the first item and we select the smallest one. Look at the first item, select the smallest one. Select the smallest one, the smallest one, the smallest one, the smallest one, and then these 2. And that is it.